Do you hide your hands when you talk? Does chipped nail polish kill your confidence? Meet Maya, who felt the same every fall. She wanted nails as bold as her spirit, but was overwhelmed. One day, she tried a Day of the Dead nail design. Patterns of sugar skulls and marigolds brought her strength. Maya's smile grew each time she saw her vibrant nails. Nail art isn't just decoration. It's self-expression and courage. Try painting one nail today. Use bold reds, deep blacks, golden dots. With simple tools and practice, you'll surprise yourself. A hand mirror, tiny brush, your own vision. Your hands can carry art, honor culture, show pride. Don't wait to feel beautiful. Paint your story. Let every brushstroke boost your confidence. Share your design. Spread motivation. Start your Day of the Dead nails now. Let your hands lead the celebration. Please like and subscribe to haunteddesigns.com. Thanks for watching.